Hey, it's your friend Kurt here, and I'd like to read a little bit to you about a bird. Hawaiian honeycreepers exhibit coevolution, a process in which two or more organisms evolve simultaneously and develop mutually beneficial characteristics. Hawaii lacked pollinating bees, and so plants offered the honeycreepers a rich nectar meal in exchange for pollination services. As they perfected the relationship, the birds gradually developed curved bills, and the flowers adapted in parallel with curved corolla tubes and pistils placed to transfer pollen to and from the bird's forehead. Have you ever seen a Hawaiian honeycreeper? Leave a comment and let me know.